and you got another name in it. It looks like Ted, T-E-D. We got a good one today. When you walk up to a unit and you see all this oil, that's hella oil. A lot of oil. So I know there's definitely a leak somewhere. Straight up oil everywhere. What threw me off is that this condensate was not, there's no condensate. That's dry. One of these is leaking. Let's put gauges on here and see. Absolutely nothing on this side. Let's check this one. Alright, so this side has charge in it. This one has a big leak in it. I'm gonna check this compressor out to see if it's bad or just blew out. Oh Jesus. Oh boy. Hell yeah. That's a bad day right there. Yep, she's cooked. She is cooked. Another day, another coil that was hit by hail, and you got another name in it. It looks like Ted, T-E-D. And as I take my stubby off, you hear it hissing out. This could be where all the refrigerant is leaking out from. Tighten that bad boy on there. And the end, bad compressor. Oil everywhere. On this compressor, see the difference, 75 and 20. That's a restriction right there. Once that dryer gets swapped out, then we'll be good.